In this video, I'll show you how to create a colorful and energetic opening where vibrant particles move across the screen and reveal your video. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the effect feels natural as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find vibrant particles, then apply it. Once applied, bright particles burst and flow across the screen, revealing the video underneath in a lively and eye-catching way. Use the duration slider to control how fast the particles move. Shorter duration makes the motion fast and exciting. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more cinematic reveal. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so the particle movement matches your music or beat. And that's it. You've successfully added a vibrant particle reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.